To connect the dryer and the washer and you don't know how to, I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. And now I'm going to give you some theory so that way you know how to connect everything. So let's start with the with the washer. With the washer machine always is 110, at least here in US. So and you have the inputs and the outputs. So basically you have two inputs. You have the water, the cold water, you have the hot water, and then the output will be the drain. So basically once you finish washing all the clothing, it will go, whatever the dirty water will go here, and that's it. So that is how you connect it. This is very easy. Just two hoses, and now I'm going to show you how to do it. Here with the dryer is a little bit more complicated, at least here in US. If you have two types of dryers, you have the 110, is the one that runs on gas, and you have the 220. In this case, we're going to teach you the 220 because that is what I'm connecting right now. So basically, you have the electric outlet that you see here, and the electric outlet, it may have three prongs, or it may have four. So if you have four, you will see here 4, and in the back of the dryer, you will have live, neutral, and ground. So it's red, black, white, and ground. That is how you connect it in case if you have to connect the cable by, because some reason. So maybe you have the wrong cable, like is in this case, or you bought the dryer and you have to connect the cable, the power cable by itself later. And if you have an old dryer, you're going to have 3 prongs, as you can see here, and then you're going to have live, and then you're going to have a neutral, and that's it. So that is how it works. Or you could have a ground. That's it. And after that, you're going to have here, for instance, the output of here is the hot air. The hot air is going to go from here to here, and then you have to connect this in the outside. So basically, if you have a basement, it goes outside. If you have if this is in the bedroom or close to that area, it can go to the attic or to the siding on the side of the house. So here I'm going to show you everything is in the same room. So I'm going to show you how to connect it directly, so the way you understand how everything is. All right, so we are going to connect the dryer, washer. So for that, we're going to use this because it comes with the wrong cable. They put the wrong cable. This is, as you can see here, we have 3 cables, 3 wires, and they put the cable that comes with 4 wires. So we're going to put the one that belongs to this place. So that is why we're going to replace it. Also, this one doesn't fit here or here. So in the beginning, I thought I was going to replace this, but it's not needed. They have the wrong cable. And after that, we're going to connect the hose for this, and then the drain that goes there, and then the exhaust for the dryer. In order to do that, we're going to start with this. So basically, you're going to put this rubber seals, a gasket. It goes inside of each one of them, and then we're going to put them over there. All right, as you can see, it comes with nothing. We're going to put the seals inside of each hose before we do anything else. Otherwise, you're going to have leaks. So that is easy. All right, as you can see, we got the red one over there. We are going to untie it, and that's it. All right, as you can see, we got the rubber seal inside. Then we have to adjust it here, untie it, should be enough. And then the other end, we're going to put it just here. As you can see, we have the blue here, and the other side is the red one. So the way it is, no problem with the right connector. So when you want to wash with cold, you have cold, and when you want to wash with warm, you can have the warm. Alright, as you can see, we're going to put this inside. And that's it. So it should stay there. So later maybe we can put some zip ties. As you can see, we got black, green and neutral, and then the red one. We're going to remove it all. As you can see, we're going to put this to keep the cable in place. So basically, this is going to grab it like that. Here by code you have to put the clamps, otherwise if you pull the cable by accident or something like that, things are going to get disconnected and it's going to be dangerous. Right, once you have red with red, black with black, and neutral goes here, so the two hot goes here, neutral and ground goes here. It's like that. And then put the screw over there, and that's it. In this case, we're going to put this. You should go all around it, and then we're going to put this so that way it will keep it in place. Here we're going to install the exhaust of the dryer, so that way we have everything ready to go. That's okay, as you can see, it's very firm, so we can move it, pull it, and it's not gonna go anywhere. Now I have to get out of here, jump, and I should be free. Alright, all we have to do now is just plug this in, and that's it. The washer is plugged in. As you can see, everything is good. So now all I have to do is just put it back, and that's it. The good thing is this house, they have the 4 prong and the 3. This is the first time I see it. Usually regular houses, they don't have that. As you can see, the washer is working fine, and the dryer is working great as well.